Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at these S30 true wireless earphones from EKSA Telecom right here. And these look pretty cool. It looks like this one's got a little fold down mic on it and a nice little charging base. So it looks like these would be a handy pair of like desk headphones if you maybe answer your phone a lot or something like that. Have them right there on the charging base, always charged up and ready to go. So we're going to take these out of the box here and take a peek at them and see what they're all about. Let's look at the specs real quick here first. Over-the-ear comfort, 99-foot ultra-long wireless connection, Bluetooth 5.3, IPX5 water-resistant, EKSA Telecom Voice Pure ENC, and EKSA Telecom turbo bass technology. So it looks like this should have some good bass and maybe some noise cancellation technology in there. Get them out of the box here. Another picture on the side there. Very nice packaging right there. Go ahead and just see what's in here. It looks like just a quick start guide and a little warranty card, or a product FAQ, and then it looks like just some pairing instructions there for your different devices and operating systems. And right here we have a nice carrying case with a little loop on the top, so you can loop it to like a backpack or something. Alright, very nice. So it looks like the charging base can also be used in the case here as a just a portable charger, but it is a base. It does have a nice rubber material on the bottom there, so it's not going to be sliding around. It is USB-C, which is very nice, and that USB-C cable is included, and as you can see there, it did have a little storage spot in the case there, as well as it does come with a little Velcro tie wrap on it, so you can wrap it back up and put it back in the case. I'm just going to leave mine in the case because I have plenty of USB-C cables out, so I don't need it in the open anywhere right now. So we're going to go ahead and take these out. Take the little plastic off right there. It just covers the contact so it doesn't charge. And it does look like this charger does have a battery, so you can use it as a desktop charger, or you can use it as a on-the-go charger. As you can see, I haven't plugged it in or anything, and it does have it had a green light right there. It looks like we have a pairing button right there. I probably should have read the instructions, but it did just go into pairing mode. I'm going to take this plastic off here too. But it looks like they are in pairing mode. I'll push that again and see if they do anything. Let's see. I'm going to go to the Bluetooth settings here on my S24 Ultra. And you can see the Telecom S30s right there. We'll go ahead and pair that. And they just said connected, and the light did change. Let's see, this is the left one with the microphone there. Just trying them on real quick, see how they feel. And I'm just going to test them out real quick for you guys by playing a video. Obviously you guys won't be able to hear it. Okay, audio is not too bad. They are there's nothing that really goes in your ear. They are a air conduction style headphones, so they don't go fully in your ear. This piece up here is kind of large and does take a little bit of getting used to behind your ear, but obviously that's going to depend on like your ear size and stuff like that. But overall they do sound pretty good. Just overall right there testing. I think they may have an app. Let me see here. Check the Play Store. Maybe not. I don't see. I thought they might have had an app for like settings and stuff like that, but I don't see anything. Let's check the instructions real quick just to see if it says anything about any kind of features. Alright, let's go to English. I really just want to know what the button on the charger's for. And it does look like it is for pairing. And you can power on or off the headphones. So it looks like you can double click this button as well. I think they might be, let's see. Yep, so there's some different stuff you can do at the button, but it's mainly for power on and off and Bluetooth pairing. Looks like you can turn them on and off with the button here, so it just turned blue and turned on, and then if I double click it, it turns red and turns off. So I don't know that they turn off automatically, but there's also a button on the headphones that controls like the background mode and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to play around with these because they do have a few different features. With the Bluetooth 5.3, you can also do the multi-device, multi-point linking, so you can pair them with 2 devices at one time. The only thing with that is you have to, you may have to disable Bluetooth or be out of the range of the other device that it's paired to, or you may have some issues getting it connected and paired. But that's what it looks like right there. So you can put this in the little charging case and carry them around with you while they charge, and then you can also just take that base off if you want to use it on like a desktop or whatever the case may be, which is a very nice feature. So those are the EKSA, or I'm going to say EKSA S30 air conduction wireless headphones. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.